Hey, if you want to quickly update drivers for your GeForce 1060, all you have to do is just open your browser. Then you will have to enter for the official Nvidia.com website, and you will have to select drivers. It appears between shop and the support in the right upper corner. Then select your product type. In my case, it's actually from the GeForce. Pick the product series. So you have to go for the GeForce 10 series or 10 series if you are using your notebook, so basically laptop. So select 10 series and pick the product. We are talking about 1060, so we have to pick this one. There's also the, oh never mind, I thought that is 1060 Ti, but that's only 1060. Pick your operating system and then select the game ready driver or studio driver. When you are a gamer and using your PC for normal basic usage, just pick this one. But if you are like a content creator, you are editing videos or stuff like this, it will be actually recommended to get this studio driver. So when you click right here on this icon, you can also find description of the game ready drivers and the studio drivers. Then pick the language and click search. Next, you can find the latest version of the update, the release date, and supported operating systems, file size, and the language. Then you will have to click download. Now from this, click download one more time. And all you have to do is just to wait until the download will be finished. You can open the downloads location, and when it will be downloaded, just click on it 2 times with the left mouse button and follow on-screen instructions to finish installation process. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.